What is 80 inches long, 36 inches high, and 40 inches across? Find out next on The Frugal Gardener. Welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Back to Basics series. The answer to my question is my raised garden. This is my update. The last time you saw this was approximately a month ago. We are now approaching the final days of May. We haven't even reached summer yet. And look at the difference. I have squash, I have cucumber, we have more squash, we also have a couple of tomatoes coming up. But check out my bean waterfall. I actually meant to plant runner beans, but these are bush beans. Basically, I planted some inside this crate here, and the rest are on the top. So this is my update for my crate raised garden. If you saw my video from a month ago, you'll recall that I built this from all reclaimed material. It stands off the ground, so you don't really have to do a lot of bending. It's been very handy for me. I had to use the shade cloth yesterday. Never really took it completely off. This is part of it. This side here is still a work in progress. I haven't really done much. I planted a few things, but I haven't really kept up with this because my garden is growing larger and larger and larger every year. These are the onions. This is obviously the oldest one. This is the youngest, and this is the middle. Here's another shot of the squash. The center I deliberately left open so that the pots can be interchangeable. I'm not real happy with the way my tomatoes are coming up, but I have more. Basically just wanted to give you guys a look at how much has changed in this short period of time, what's growing, and what still needs to be done. On my next update, excuse me, I have starter pots for these. So I'm basically going to get rid of these weeds, and I'm going to transplant graffiti eggplant and a few other things that I've planted that I have growing, and I'm going to transfer them. And there are my beans. Doesn't look like much right now, but give it a few weeks and we will have beans. That's it for today's update. You know, I don't like doing those really long videos. I know you guys are busy, but I did want you to see the progress that was being made, and I'll keep you guys posted throughout the summer. I will have another Back to Basics video coming up in about a week. So until then, thanks for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with what's going on throughout the summer. I'm going to be posting every week. And as always, happy gardening.